Hi guys, Nagaraj here. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new for this channel, please do subscribe. This video is related to the Java program, which is reverse the string. So this video particularly made for the fresher or those who are learning for the Java, and also those who are trying to attend the Java interview. This is very mandatory question they ask in the interview for particularly for Java program. Straight away the interviewer won't ask like just write the program to reverse the string. Straight away if they ask you have direct method available in the java.reverse method, they ask some particular way you need to write a program. Something like they ask like can you use without a predefined method, can you able to reverse the string. So based on these interview questions, right, I have made this reverse string in the 7 ways we can able to write the reverse string. So once you get into this video completely, right, definitely you will get a confident to answer these questions. So I have listed 7 ways here. So basic on this reverse string is the actual program they will ask like some given string they will provide actually. So expected, they are expecting like we need to reverse whichever the input you are providing, that string should be reversed. That is nothing but reversing the string. So as I mentioned, I have mentioned the 7 ways like with the inbuilt function how we can able to, there are 2 ways we can do it in the reverse the string. Like with the string method also you can use string method in strings, so we can use the string buffer or string builder class. We have a method called reverse. Using that we can able to do it. At the same time, if they particular about, if they ask about use the collection class, so in that case you'll be able to understand like how we can able to use the string and collections. Second method is like how we can do without inbuilt functions. There are I have listed 5 ways. Out of this maybe definitely they will ask on these topics only. By using the caret method with the for loop, how to do this, with the caret method with the while loop, how we can reverse the string. Similarly, how to use the toChar array method, and by using the get byte method and split method. Once you complete this video, yeah, definitely you will get idea like how to reverse the string by using the different methods in Java. And if you like this video guys, please hit like button and put it in comment section like which topic, which program you are like me to explain in the next video, so that I can prioritize and I can make it the next video. So intention is to you should understand all the ways to reverse the string. So first we'll see like how we can use reverse the string using the inbuilt method. In this example I have written like using the string method how we can do. This is for see, there are 2 ways, right? 2 class we can use, either string buffer or string builder you can use. If you use string buffer or string builder, we have a method called .reverse. Using this .reverse method you can able to achieve this reverse the string. So how to do this? I will go to the Eclipse and I will show you. I just copied the same which I have used there. So I have defined the string buffer class, because don't use guys one more thing I wanted to explain here, like if you use a string class, right, if you use string class you don't able to find the reverse method available. So for that reason, so I am taken the string buffer and the string builder object, string builder object to reverse the given string. So given string, let assume like Java program I have taken. So I am just displaying the given string. So let me comment out this for confusions. Okay, I have given string I have displaying, and next I am writing right, just reversing the string. So if, okay, let me run this program. See, the given string is Java program and output we got is just reverse. It is started from Java. This given string got reversed here. Okay, similarly we can use the same string builder object as well to reverse the string. Let me uncomment it, and if I run this program, say definitely you will get the same. If a given string is this one, then output will be this one. Don't do the mistake like if you define some string object here, suppose I will return string object. So because while writing, right, you may be not concentrating like whether it is giving compile time error or not. Simply you are defining something here, right? Suppose I am defining something. See, most of the people will do this mistake. So what they write in the sheet of paper, which the reverse, they will simply write reverse program here. But reverse program itself is not available in the string object. So that's why I'm saying, so practice in Eclipse or IntelliJ, whichever is you are compatible, so that you will get a more idea like how we can use which method is available in the which class. Okay, this is about the first method which we are using for the inbuilt, which you're talking about, right? The first point is done now. So using the inbuilt method, how we can use reverse the string, how you can use the collection method to achieve this the same. Let me go back. Yeah, this is using the inbuilt method only, but you are using the collection framework. The logic behind is I am splitting this string into the character. I place it in the character array. Okay. Now each object, what I am doing, each character I am stored in the list element, array list. It may be a list element here. I'm adding one by one. Okay. Array list which is having the characters. Then I will use the collections class available in the collection framework. So using this one, I can use the reverse method. So the element will be, means characters will be reversed inside the collections. Okay, now I can, if I iterate the values one by one, so I will get the reversing the value. So let me show you the same thing in Eclipse. Just I have pasted the same code here. So what I did here, I just have taken one string variable. Here I am just splitting the value with the character array. We have a string, we have one method called toChar array. So with this toChar array, I am taking the characters array. So these character array why I am taking, because I need to add these character one by one to the array list. It's a collection array list. Okay, this is in the terms of here. Just I declare the array list here, the object I have created. Intention is to add the one by one characters. So here I am taking on for loop I have taken. So one by one I am adding. Add. Now it is taking all the characters one by one to this array list. In Java we have a class called collections. So it has the method like reverse method available. So with that I am able to take the collections. So as we know, we already in the previous video also we said that how to iterate the array list. So if you didn't watch, please go and watch that video so that you will get how to iterate the collections object, collections element. Okay, so just I am the list of iterator. So it returns me the iterator as a object. So here I am printing the one by one value. Okay, if I run this program, so see I got this output. So if you want more clear, let me add so that it will be more clear for you guys, like which one is output and which one is input. Simply I am printing the input variable here before. See Java program, the given data in the output is the reversing the value. This method reversing the string using the predefined method like a reverse, but using the collection class. Now we'll quickly move on to the next process, like without using inbuilt function, how to reverse the string. It may be a different method. So we'll see one by one how to use that. So first one I have taken using the for loops how to do. This is actually very similar to the previous one only. Only thing is that just we are not using the reverse method. That's it. And I will put it in Eclipse. So now I have taken one Java program. Sorry, one string object I have created, that is Java program, right? So I have created the one variable for string and it is empty. I need to read the string from the right hand side. So how to do that? First, the logic here is first I should read m. So what I am doing is I will read m first. I will save it in one variable that I have taken the reverse. Okay, I will take one variable called reverse. That is m. First I read the m. I put it in the one reverse variable. Then next time I will read a. Okay. Next time I am reading a, I will put it in the reverse one. I will append with the previous variable. So now what happens? Reverse already has the value, right? Reverse already has the m value. Now I appending with the a. In the next loop, what I am doing? Now reverse has ma. It is appending with the next variable r. Right, now totally reverse having now what? M A R, like it continues like this. The same logic I have applied here. First I will initiate the I with the length. See why I am taking length minus 1. The total length is how much here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So totally we have 12 characters. So if I take 12 here, initially if I start with 12, we won't get 12 m here because the 11th position will be m because the index starts with 0 to 11. So that's why I am taken length minus 1 so that I will get the first characters. My loop should continue till the I becomes 0. I become less than or equal to 0, correct? So that's why I am taken the I greater than or equal to 0. Now I will be minus because I want to get the next data here. First I will read M, next I will read A or something like this. Okay. As I mentioned here, I am appending, keep on appending, because initially my value will be 0, nothing, right? I didn't take any values. Now I am appending the same REV with this one, first data. So that data, how to get it? Yes, actually caret method, it is taking the j value. If I pass char of 1, it returns me the a value. Okay, similarly it will go like this. So now as I want the last position, right? So I need to pass 11 here. So 11 from where I will get? I will get from here. Length of I. Initially it is initiated with the 11. So length of I, it is initiating with the m now, right? So it append with the reverse. So first it will take the m only. The next cycle, as it is becoming 0, means it is 10. Character of 10 is equal to character of it equal to 10 now in the next loop. So it will take the a value. Similarly, it will go till I greater than or equal to 0. Okay, this is how this loop will work, and final output will be the REV will save the final output, so that I have printed out here. Input of yes, so I have taken the input yes, and what will be the output? The given data Java program output we got is the reversing of the given string. So if you want more clarity, right, for this, so let me put one breakpoint here. If I run this with a debug mode, right, so you will exactly understand like what exactly you will able to find the values. So as I mentioned earlier, like from here we can able to see this is the first loop. So reverse having no data now, correct? It is having no data. So once I run this one, I will press next one here, F6. I will press F6. See that? So I got M now. See, reverse got the first value. Now if I run one by one, see how the m value getting changing. Now ma it appearing. So if you observe here, you'll be able to understand very clearly. Like the index value also we can see what's the index now. See, index is 10 now. I have taken. See, once the index is I now, so it is taking the second one. See, mar comes. So similarly, we can able to check if you have any doubt regarding the looping, how it is working, and if you put it in debug mode, so that you will be able to understand how exactly this flow will continue. And finally, once it is getting 0, right, it will come out of the loop and it will display the output for me. Okay, this display the output. This is how we can able to debug the program. Hope you got the clear idea regarding how we can reverse the string without using this without using the predefined method, but using the caret. Okay, caret method. Now we'll see how to do with the while loop. Now while loop exactly same like what we explained earlier, right? Only thing is that the looping concept we need to take some different way. So exactly here I want the count I want. So count until the count is equal to less than equal to 0. This while loop will keep on continue. Similarly, I have taken the count minus because initially I want m value. So I have first value. Initially it will take the 12, right? The count is equal to 12. Now I will make count minus so that I get the caret rate of 11th index, so that I get the last value. So similarly I will copy this. I will add here. Okay, I just aligned it. See what I did here, just I have taken, okay, I have taken the string Java is equal to Java program, str equal to Java program. So I have taken the length here, str.length. It will provide me the what is the count. Now I will get, now count is equal to, if the while condition is true, then only it will get inside the loop and it will perform. If the condition is false, it will come out of the while loop. So now count is greater than equal to 0. Yeah, it is, the condition is true and it will come here. Okay, so count is equal to now minus, so 11 now, right? So here what exactly it happens, now we'll see caret rate equal to, so caret of now how much it is taking, now it is taking the 11. So in the caret rate 11 means it is taking the m value. So m will append with the REV, means m will append with the empty value. So r will be reverse will be saved with the, what's the value now, reverse value is equal to m now, correct? So in the second loop it will go, the caret of is equal to 10. So it will append with the, now here we will get the, till here we get the value is a, because character of 10. Now this will be append with the m now. So ma it will be appearing. Similarly, in the next loop it will be rg something. So it will keep on adding the value. Once it is coming out of the loop, because when its count is equal to 0 greater than 0, it will come out of this and it will print the output, right? So if I run this program, you will understand. See, reversing the value. So now we saw how to use the for loop and while loop by adding the character method. So now we'll move on to the next one, that is 2char array method. So here also almost similar to the previous one only thing is that we are splitting the characters of the string here. First I am taken the value, string value, and I have taken one empty variable, string variable. Then I am splitting. Once I use str.charArray, so this will split the value. It returns me the character array. So I am saving the ARR as a character array object. So I taken the array of length -1 greater than equal to like previous one only. So a character array, and I am able to display the value. So let me copy this. So I don't think so here more explanation required, because it is almost similar to the previous one only. That's why I'm not explaining in deep in it, because here only we are doing like apart from the previous program, we have done just similarly. We are splitting the character array based on the character array content. We are taking the length here, array length -1 till equal to 0, and we are keep on reducing the index value, right? One by one we are taking the previously we are taking the value from the string, now we are taking the value from the character array. That's it. So it is printing the output for me. So if I print this value, see, I get the reversing the value. In character, right, see, instead of using this caret of I, also we can use, anyhow we have this array, right? So we can use something like array of the index. Directly we can pass it over here, because as it is a character array we are passing. So by passing this also we can able to achieve the same. Suppose if I run this program, so you will able to see the reversing the string. So if they particular about don't use the caret method only, so then in that case you need to write this program. Just modify the few lines of code. That's it. Okay. So why I am explaining different way of reversing the string? Definitely guys, in the interview room, definitely they will ask, like they want us write a program to reverse the given string. They won't ask. Particularly they ask like reverse the string either using the inbuilt function, or they particularly ask about use the 2char array method to reverse the string. Something particularly they ask. You need to know like what are all the way we have and how we can able to reverse by using those methods. Next we'll move on to the next method, like to get byte. Get byte also almost similar, like instead of 2char array we are using get byte array. With the get byte array index, we are fetching the value one by one. So let me copy this. Instead of see previously we used 2char array, it returning my character array, but in this case it is taking get byte method I'm using, it is returning the byte array. If I run this program, see, I will get the reversing the string by using the get byte array. We'll see the last method how we can do with the split method. This is also very important method. Most of the time they ask in the interview room. Just split equal to nothing. We are not splitting with the string array. Again, it is taking the one by one data. Right? Individually it is taking. Then I am taking the length of it. It will be the as we have using the string array. So it is taking one by one data, and similarly previously so length -1. Let me copy this into the given string is Java program, empty string object I have created, and I am splitting one by one, because based on this it is storing me like why I have taken 2 times. It is not required, right? Because I want the first array, so I am using the array of 5. So how it is looking like array of 0 in the sense we are getting the last value. So one by one is fetching the data, because we are not using character here, because array of 0. Okay, if I run this program, I can able to find the reverse value, the given string. It is not like I need to give only this one, so anything I can do. So ProTechBeach, I added something ProTechBeach. If I run this program, that the value should be reversed. Okay, the reverse value I should be able to get. And that's all for this video. Also hope you understood all the concept regarding how we can reverse the given string by using the inbuilt method and without using inbuilt method with the different way, right? If you have any doubt regarding this video, so please put it in comment section, so I will revert back. And also if you want to know so which Java program you want me to explain in next video, also you can put it in comment section so that I can prioritize and I can provide you the next video. Finally, thanks guys. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit like button and don't forget to subscribe this channel for further video, and please share with your friend those who are looking for the Java concept. Thank you.